All right, well, welcome to Color Factory Kids for a very special edition where we're going to be drawing Catboy from the famous PJ Masks.
If you never watched it, then you can watch it now.
Yeah, maybe after this you can go watch it. So there's a lot of times when I'm walking around the house and I hear the song PJ Mask and PJ Mask.
PJ Masks with the PJ Masks.
So, as you know, if you watch any videos before, Remy loves cats. So we're going to show you how to draw Catboy from PJ Masks. For this project, what we're going to use is an eraser, a pencil, and a bunch of markers. Even though the guy's only blue, he's got several different kinds of blues. And if you don't have the markers, don't worry about it. You can use crayons, you can use color pencils, you can use watercolors, whatever it is that you have, or you can just draw it in pencil. Sometimes just in pencil is okay. But that's all you need for this project.
If you don't have any colors, you could just leave it black and white.
Exactly, black and white is just fine. Let's do a circle. Okay, we have a circle. Now, let's cut that circle in half, down the middle. All right, and down here at the bottom, Remy, that's where your feet are going to be. So put the top in the bottom.
No, I'm going to do it here.
There you go. All righty. And the Catboy head is not actually a circle. It's kind of like an oval. So we're going to do it more to look like an oval.
But I did mine like a
That's
sideways potato.
It's an oval is a sideways potato. So here we have the basic shape of Catboy. And now we want to split it in half here to make sure that the eyes go where they belong.
I know how to draw his eyes.
On top of his head, Catboy has a cool mask from the word PJ Mask. So he has a mask, and on his mask has ears. And this is why he's Remy's favorite, because Remy loves cats.
Meow. I'm a kitty
now we have him. Now down here, you see where we have the cut in half, Remy? Here's where the top of the mask goes. So top of the mask goes here. And watch right here, it has like a little cut. So now we have the basic shape of the mask.
I think you have to flip it.
Yeah. So, and then right underneath the mask is his nose, because he has to breathe. So we have that.
But are you just...
Yeah, look, so draw a nose on yours.
I want you to do like the...
Yeah, so we have this right here.
It kind of doesn't look...
That's okay. It doesn't have to look exactly. It's going to look like my style. Remember how I say it doesn't have to look like ours? We all make it our own. And whoever the creator of the PJ Mask, I can't draw like him, so he's really good. So I just draw my own style, but I'm giving him some great attention because he's a great artist. So we have the mask, and then on top of the mask, we see the two squares for his eyes.
I don't think those are squares.
I don't know what shape it is, but to me it looks like a square.
To me, it looks like a flat tire. Like there's the top of the tire and the bottom's flat. But I'm just gonna...
It could be a flat tire. We'll call it a flat tire.
It's called the eye.
So now, and then inside the shape, we have the eyes.
I'm gonna do my eyes cute every time.
Every time you do cute eyes. And then his mouth goes...
And when I do boys, I do this.
What do you do with boys?
No. But I don't like these.
All right, so basic shape is almost done.
I'm gonna use a kitty nose.
For Catboy. Remy, how do they get their powers?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is it when they put on their pajamas, or how does that?
But they already have have their pajamas on.
Oh, they already have their pajamas on?
Somebody take it and then they meet it on and they have a watch to turn.
Oh. So then the mask has some cool little details up here.
It's a little too much for me though.
And then it has some lightning. Catboy's really fast, right? That's his superpower?
Yeah.
How fast is he? Is he like... Anytime they need something really fast, he goes and gets it? Because I see lightnings on his mask, so that tells me he's fast.
And now... Done. That.
All right, so we have most of his face drawn. Are you going to draw his body?
I am, but your head is huge.
My head is huge. My head or PJ Masks' head? Now we're going to draw the body. So here is, I've never shown you how to draw a body before, Remy. So let me show you this.
I him how to, when he got turned into a kitty.
So here, we're going to start. His body's a lot smaller than his head. So we're going to start with just a rectangle. See right here, Remy? We have a rectangle.
I'm going to do it as a kitty
and then he has... Look at what I'm doing here. We are going to draw his arms. You sound like a kitty.
I don't want to do it like how you. I want a kitty. Could I add a skirt at the end?
A skirt?
Yeah.
PJ Mask? He's going to wonder what happened to him. He's never worn a skirt before.
Because I like it. I like Owlette the most because she's a girl. But I like Catboy more because
he's a cat. So now you have what's called a pickle.
A pickle?
Do you like the cat more because he's a cat or a girl more because she's a girl? All right.
I like both of them more.
So then they have the cool, is this their logo, Remy? The thing in the middle here, the PJ Masks logo?
They all have a different kind of logo.
Oh, they do? That's cool. Oh, I like his lightning stuff.
And
you sound like a cat when you do that.
When he goes fast, then he says this word.
What is... Oh, he does that?
When he goes fast.
When he goes fast? So, Remy, do you know... I'm sure you do.
I know it all the time. I was watching.
You watch it a lot more than me. So, he transforms... So, he's just a regular boy during the day, right? And then when there's trouble, he puts on his pajamas.
In the night.
In the night? And then they go...
Save the day.
They save the day. So, how do they do that? They put on their pajamas and they say what?
No. In the morning when they see something wrong, then they just do something. And then when they have their watches on, they always have their watches.
Oh, the watch.
It helps them go into night.
Oh.
And they have to have the pajamas. These are all about the pajamas.
Oh, that's why it's called PJs, right?
Yeah.
Oh, they're not called Jammy Jams. They're PJs. That's probably why
have masks.
Probably why you don't have jammy jams, because you'd be jumping into the night to save the day. So I'm afraid to buy you PJs now because you're gonna become a superhero.
You're funny.
I'm funny. All right, so we have our basic shape.
I have to like wake you up and you'll go, oh, she's out.
I'm not a superhero, so don't wake me up at night to save the day. So we have our basic shape. I don't think I'm gonna outline mine in black, Remy. I think I'm gonna do blue the way it does, the way they have it here. So let's do this, Remy. Let's take a blue marker and let's speed up the camera. Ooh, you know what I forgot? Ooh, I almost forgot this part. This eyebrow part, I almost forgot it. So let's take our marker, let's outline it, and then we'll come back and erase it. But
I want to like do a different kind. I'm just gonna use this.
You can do what, yeah, you can do whatever you want. I think I'm gonna do
tiny line.
I'm gonna do mine with blue because that's the main color here. So we're gonna speed up the camera here. If we're moving too fast, as we're drawing here, as you look at the cat, we drew the whole body and the head this time. And I hope I kind of walked enough, slowly enough for you here. But if not, you can stop the video. We'll come back to that, Remy. You can stop the video, back up a little bit, kind of see what I'm doing. And then we will outline it, and we'll come back afterwards before we add the whole color to it. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Let's
go. All right.
I already did this part.
Ooh, look at you. So it looks like we are done.
And
let me see yours, Remy. Check this out. So my guy is complete here. Remy is a star, so she put a star behind her.
And I
like to, before we go any further, Remy, we need to say thank you to our friends, because we have a lot of friends visiting our page and looking at our videos. So thank you so much. And Remy, say hi to your friends and tell them thank you.
Hi, thank you. And we're going to be done until we sign our name.
Yeah. So the last thing we do exactly is we have to sign it to make sure that it's ours. I'm going to do mine in black. So I always like to sign it because that tells me that I'm done. And then it tells other people that I'm the one that drew this.
So you won't go like
Thank you guys for following us. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. Follow us.
To that channel.
Share. Tell your friends about us. We love to teach your friends as well. Thank you so much and be kind.